Hello class 9. In today's class we're going to start chapter 4, operators in Java. The new chapter is chapter 4. This we're going to start today. What is chapter name? Operators in Java. In this chapter we are going to learn some different types of operators used by Java language. See, in computer programming we often need to perform some arithmetical or logical operations. In such circumstances, you need operators to perform this task. Without operators, you cannot do. So, what is an operator? An operator is a symbol or token. An operator is basically a symbol or token which performs arithmetical, means calculation or logical operators to give meaningful result. Okay. So, what is an operator? An operator is a symbol or token which performs arithmetical, means all the calculation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and finding the remainder, or logical operators like and or not to give meaningful results, like plus is an operator, minus is an operator. Okay. Now next term comes operands. See, the values on which the operators work, the values on which operators work or which are involved in the operation. The values on which the operator works or which are involved in the operation are known as operands. Like A plus B. In this A plus B, A and B are the operands and plus sign is an operator. The same way A minus B into C. A minus B asterisk C. So here A, B and C are operands and minus sign and asterisk sign are the operators. So what is an operator? An operator is a symbol or token which performs arithmetical or logical operations to give meaningful result. Operands, the values on which the operators work or which are involved in the operation are known as operands. Here A, B, C are the operands and plus, minus and asterisks are operators. Now next topic comes arithmetical expression. See, an arithmetical expression contains variables, constants and arithmetical operators, okay, to produce a meaningful result. Okay. It contains variables also, constant also and arithmetical operators. Arithmetical operators are plus, minus, asterisk, slash and modulus operator. Like 5 plus 90. To 5 and 90 are the operands and plus is an operator. Like A into A plus 2 into A B, 2 into A into B plus B into B. So it is a combination of variables and constant. N minus 45. N is a variable, 45 is a constant and minus is an operator, arithmetical operator. So what is arithmetical expression? An arithmetical expression contains variables, constants and arithmetical operators and it always produces a meaningful result. Like 50 plus 90. What will be the result? 95. Okay. So these are the arithmetical expression. Like x plus y, a minus 15, b into b minus 4 into a into c. All these are the arithmetical expression. After that, the next topic is arithmetical statement. Arithmetical statement. See, when an arithmetical expression like 5 plus 90 and minus 45, these are arithmetical expression. So when an arithmetical expression is assigned to a variable by using the assignment operator, then it is known as an arithmetical statement. Once again, what is arithmetical statement? When an arithmetical, see all these three are the examples of arithmetical expression. So when an arithmetical expression is assigned to a variable, then it is known as an arithmetical statement. For example, s equal to 5 plus 90. Now see, 5 plus 90 whose value is 95, it is assigned to s. So now it has become an arithmetical statement. D equal to a into a plus 2 into a into b plus b into b. So this full value after evaluating, the full value is assigned to D. So it is assigned to a variable. Here variable is S, here variable is D. And the third one variable is V. V equal to n minus 45. So value of n minus 45 is assigned to V. So this type of statements are called arithmetical statement. So whenever an arithmetical expression is assigned to any variable, so it is known as arithmetical statement. Now, types of operators. See, basically there are three types of operators to perform any operation in Java program. They are arithmetical operator or mathematical operator, like plus, minus, asterisk, slash, modulus. Then we have relational operator, like greater than sign, less than, equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to. These are the relational operator. Then we have logical operators like and or not. And or not are the logical operators. Alright. So there are how many types of operators? Three types of operator: arithmetical or mathematical operators, relational operators, and logical operators. Next, what are the arithmetical operators? What are the arithmetical operators? See, the operators which are used to perform arithmetical calculations, only arithmetical calculations in a program, are known as arithmetical operators. So now what type of calculation these operators do? Like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus means to find the remainder. So these are the arithmetical operators done by a programmer in a Java program. Okay. So this plus sign is used for the addition, minus sign is used for subtraction, asterisk sign is used for division, the slash sign is used for division, and asterisk for multiplication, and this percent sign, which is called the modulus operator, it finds the remainder. So which operators are called arithmetical operators? The operators which are used to perform mathematical calculations. Okay. Now, an arithmetical operator can be categorized. An arithmetical operator can be categorized in the following ways to perform some mathematical task. So what are the different arithmetical operator? They are unary operator, binary operator, and ternary operator. Once again, unary operator, binary operator, and ternary operator. Now what is the unary operator? An arithmetical operator which is used to operate on a single an arithmetical operator which is used to operate on a single operand. So operator will be one and operand also will be one only on a single operand. So such type of operator are called unary operator. So once again, what is unary operator? An arithmetical operator which is used to operate on a single operand is known as the unary operator. The unary operators of Java are like plus, minus, plus, plus, minus, minus. Plus, minus, plus, plus is called increment operator, and minus, minus is called decrement operator. Now it is further categorized in two ways: unary plus operator and unary minus operator. Unary plus and unary minus. What is the unary plus operator? This operator is used before the operand. Or remember, operand will be unary means 1. So there will be only one operand. This operator is used before the operand, simply as a pointer to a variable which results in the same value. It will give the same value, same result of the variable. Like plus 5, plus a. Plus 5 means plus 5 only. Plus a means plus a only. Okay. That means 5 is a positive number, a is a positive number. The same way, we have unary minus operator. Unary minus, this operator is also used before the operand, like minus 5 minus a. So these are unary. So unary minus also is used in the same way as unary plus. It is also used before the operand. And unary minus operator reverses the sign of an operand. Okay. Now next one is unary increment operator or plus plus operator. So what is the unary increment operator? Unary increment operator, that is plus plus, increases the value of an operand by 1. Unary increment operator increases the value of an operand by 1. It is used in the two way, like plus plus 10 or 10 plus plus, meaning is 10 plus 1. So once again, it increases the value of an operand by 1. Simply increases by 1 means plus 1. The plus plus 10 will become 10 plus 1 11. 10 plus plus will become 10 plus 1 11. Same way we can write plus plus a or a plus plus. So what is meaning? Meaning is a equal to a plus 1. Meaning of plus plus a also is meaning a equal to a plus 1, and a plus plus also is meaning is a equal to a plus 1. The last one, unary decrement operator, minus minus. This minus minus sign is called unary decrement operator. Minus sign to minus sign without a space. So unary decrement operator decreases the value of an operand by 1. It is just opposite of unary increment operator. Unary increment operator increases the value of an operand by 1, and unary decrement operator decreases the value of an operand by 1, like minus minus 10 or 10 minus minus, meaning 10 minus 1. That means it becomes 9, or minus minus a or a minus minus. This also meaning is a equal to a minus a. So in today's class, we have learned what are the operators, what are the operands, what is arithmetical expression, what is arithmetical statement, what are the types of operator, arithmetical operator, relational operator, logical operators, what is the arithmetical operators. Then we discuss the types of arithmetical operators, that is unary operators, binary operators, and ternary operators. We discuss unary operator. An arithmetical operator which is used to operate on a single operand is known unary operator. It is again categorized in two ways, unary plus and unary minus, and unary increment plus plus operator and unary decrement minus minus operator. So today this much only, and learn all this definition and terms. Thank you.